I mean, so this lawsuit isn't unexpected. We knew the Biden administration was planning to do something, but it's an audacious lawsuit, and that's because it is ignoring, the fact that the judiciary has not asked or answered this question about constitutionality of the law yet, and instead is arguing that the U.S. government has the right to insert itself to invalidate a properly passed and signed state law that it believes to be unconstitutional. We're optimistic, about this law surviving all these various lawsuits. It's just a different facet and really just highlights the Biden administration's lack of restraint in choosing to try to insert itself in this discussion and an ongoing lawsuit already about the law that is going through the proper channels, went through the Supreme Court denying that petition, is back at the Fifth Circuit. And so, we'll see what happens, but we're certainly optimistic about the law surviving these various lawsuits. So at this point, we have not heard of any credible violations of the law occurring. Like you said, it seems the abortion industry is complying with the law, which is the whole point of the law. And we're glad to see that, because that means that hundreds of preborn children are being protected from abortion every day that this law is in effect. We've had a lot of states reach out to us, and this started before the law was even signed and went into effect. But certainly now that it is in effect, I think a lot of states are interested to see how they can also have an enforceable heartbeat law passed. But at this point, those states are working on their own legislation. I haven't seen any filed yet. And so it will be interesting to see if any states actually choose to follow through and file legislation similar to Texas's. But we certainly would love to see other states follow in our footsteps.